Hi, ladies and gentlemen, this is O21 HW1 Systems of Equation by the Graph. So we're going to be graphing systems, and we're going to try to find the solution to our system by graphing. Now the solution to our system is always going to be a coordinate, meaning one x value, one value. And that's when the two lines cross. So wherever the two lines cross in our answer, or in our problem, or on our graph, where the two lines cross on our graph is the solution that we're looking for. So let's look at problem number 1 here. Number 1 says y equals 3x plus 8 and y equals negative 7/2 x plus minus 5. What we first need to plot is the y-intercept of each equation. First we'll just do the first equation. Pardon me. We first need to plot the y-intercept of the first equation. So in y equals 3x plus 8, the plus 8 is your y-intercept. So we're going to plot a coordinate at 8, as we see here just in red. A little red dot I made. Next, from that first point, we graph a slope of 3 by going down 3 and to the left 1. So down 1, 2, 3, and left 1. That's where we're going to put our second coordinate. Then we're going to connect those lines. So I connect them using this blue line. Next, we repeat the procedure with the second problem. We graph the y-intercept of negative 5, because our y-intercept here is negative 5, so we go from the origin down to negative 5. We plot that point. Then we go up 7 to the left 2, so up 7 to the left 2, and we plot our next point. And we connect them. Now these two lines, they meet at negative 2, 2. So our answer, or our solution to the system, is negative 2, 2, which is option B. And for number 1, negative 2, 2. As we could see, it's B. Negative 2, 2. Alright, here's the next problem. Number 2. Our equations are y equals 15/4 x plus 7 and y equals negative 1/4 x minus 9. We first need to plot the y-intercept of the first equation, which is positive 7, so we plot positive 7 on our y-axis. Then if we go up 15 to the right 4, we're off the graph. So instead we're going to go down 15 and to the left 4. Which if we zoom out a little bit, we'll see it's down below, right here. We then graph our line and connect them. Next up, we do the same procedure. We have a negative 9 up here. So we plot negative 9 on our y-axis. And then we go up 1 to the left 4. So up 1 to the left 4. And we plot our point. And we connect them. Where the two lines meet, down here. Or better yet, let's make it bigger. We'll group it. Let's slide it up so it's easier for you to see. So where the lines meet, right here. This is to the left 4 and down 8. So the coordinate is negative 4, negative 8. Now it'll be option B. Negative 4, negative 8. That's the answer for number 2. Moving on to number 3. But number 3, we have y equals negative 7x plus 2 and y equals negative x plus 8. So we first plot those two coordinates. Negative 7x plus 2, we plot a coordinate at 2. And then from that coordinate, we go down 7 to the right 1. So down 7 to the right 1. And we plot that line, as you see. Next, we have y equals negative x plus 8. So we plot a coordinate at positive 8. And we go down 1 over 1. Here's our line. So we plotted the coordinate at 8, down 1 over 1. And you're going to find a cross up top here. So I'll scroll it down and we'll zoom in. The cross right here at negative 1, positive 9. That's where the two blue lines cross. And that's the answer here, negative 1, positive 9. So we scroll down, negative 1, positive 9, A. That's where the two lines cross. Next up is number 4. We have y equals 2/9 x minus 7 and y equals 2/9 x plus 1. So we first need to plot the y-intercept of the first equation, which in this case, it's y equals 2/9 x minus 9. So we plot the point negative 7. Then it's up 2 to the right 9. So we're going to go up 2 to the right 9. We plot our point. I make my line. So it's at negative 7, up 2 to the right 9. So that's our line right there on our graph. Next, we have y equals 2/9 plus 1. So we're going to plot the point at positive 1. And then from that point, we're going to go up 2 to the right 9. I'm going to graph our second line. Notice these two lines do not touch. Anytime when two lines do not touch, there's going to be no solution because the lines never cross. So in this case, number 4, the answer is D, no solution. So D, no solution, is our answer for number 4. All right, if you have any questions on this material, please come to Extra Help. I'd be happy to help you out. Make sure you also finish the rest of these problems that are listed below here on the Google form. You could also ask questions during class, so please don't be afraid to ask questions during class. All right, have a good night.